Hey everybody, we finally made it. 500 subscribers. 500. Time to do a giveaway. So, I'm going to give away an Amun Pock amp, practice amp. It's a 5-watt amp. It has quite a few features. It's got several different types of distortion and chorus and delay and reverb. Can't use them all at the same time. Price of freedom. F-16s. Good thing they're not after me, huh? Anyway, I'll figure out how we're going to do this, and we'll do an upload here in a day or two. I got to talk to Dan, see what we can do. Anyway, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Please continue to do so. Bye.